Would you like to apply for a home care package but you don't know how? If you are just starting out on your aged care journey, it's likely you'll have lots of questions. The first step is to check if you meet the requirements for an assessment through My Aged Care. Eligibility is based on factors like your health, how you're managing at home, and any support you currently receive. To qualify for assessment, you must meet some needs and age requirements. These include how much assistance you need with some everyday tasks, that you are 65 years or older, or 50 if you're an Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander. A trained assessor will then visit your home to carry out an assessment. They will talk to you about your circumstances and needs and work with you to identify what services might suit you best. To find out if you're eligible, call My Aged Care on 1800 200 422 to discuss your situation.